Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Security and Privacy. Then click on Device Lock and tap on Face Unlock. Finally, enter your current login method, read the disclaimers and tap on the Setup button at the bottom right corner. Then click on the same one again. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can manage those two options by tapping on the switchers next to them. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it, you need to choose Face Unlock again, enter your current login method, and choose Delete Face Model at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!